Are you ready?
If you're not immigrating, then your genes won't flow. If you're not immigrating, then your genes won't flow. E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, yeah. E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, yeah. We're adapting so we can survive. We have mutations with different genotypes, yeah, our genes change for the 5 fingers of evolution, the 5 fingers, the 5 fingers, 5 fingers, yeah, the 5 fingers of evolution, the 5 fingers, the 5 fingers, 5 fingers, yeah, the 5 fingers of evolution.
Number 1, genetic drift. Small populations are affected. This process is due to chance, causing change in all the traits.
Number 2 is mating. This process selects for sex. When female and male get down, turn that frown upside down.
Number 3 is mutations. It's the change in DNA, leads to change in RNA, may affect the protein shell.
Number 4 is gene flow. Genes are moving to and fro, kind of like transportation in a beamer.
Yeah, we're adapting
so we can survive. We have mutations with different genotypes. Yeah, our genes changed for the 5 fingers of evolution. The 5 fingers. The 5 fingers, 5 fingers, yeah, the 5 fingers of evolution. The 5 fingers. The 5 fingers, 5 fingers, yeah, the 5 fingers of evolution. Number 5 is natural selection. This is the survival of the fittest. Organisms don't evolve, the populations do. The rest of the traits are passed on to the crew. Charles Darwin created this theory to show population change, unlike Hardy and Weinberg, who explain they stay the same. Charles said that traits evolve. Hardy, Weinberg tried to solve. P squared plus 2pq plus q squared equals 1. E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, yeah. E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, yeah. We're adapting so we can survive. We have mutations with different genotypes. Yeah, our genes change for the 5 fingers of evolution. The 5 fingers. The 5 fingers, 5 fingers, yeah, the 5 fingers of evolution. The 5 fingers. The 5 fingers, 5 fingers, yeah, the 5 fingers of evolution. We have voices in our ears, variation with my peers, overproduction with my mates, inherited traits. Competition for resources, evolution is the force, selection is by nature, changes my behavior. Here you go for a review. Number 1, genetic drift, mating is number 2, mutations is the 3rd. Number 4 is gene flow. Number 5, natural selection. Charles Darwin told us so. He let his daughter know. If you ain't reproducing, then your genes stop cold. If you ain't reproducing, then your genes stop cold. If you ain't reproducing, then your genes stop cold. If you ain't reproducing, then your genes stop cold.